Our London Bureau Chief Mandy Clark is now joining us live on the broadcast. Mandy, we have been talking about whether or not the people across the UK have been following those restrictions that remain in place. If you can get us an update on that and how the authorities have been considering imposing stricter restrictions.
Yes, well, the weather has been, of course, improving in the UK. It's coming out of a normally very wet winter. So as the weather improved, lots of people came out, and it was described as a small minority who did flout the rules and were found sunbathing in public green spaces, not observing social distancing. And because of what was described as a small minority, the Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, had threatened that he will have to stop allowing people even to get their daily exercise. Now, the UK is different to the rest of Europe, such as France, Italy, and Spain, where they don't allow even that daily exercise. In France, you have to carry a piece of paper to let you go about your business. Here, it's not the case. They have a slightly more relaxed approach where people are allowed to go to shops. They are allowed to exercise. Now, after Matt Hancock made that announcement, a lot of people cleared those public spaces, so they haven't enforced that, but they may consider it. They are due for a 3-week review after lockdown. It's coming up tomorrow. There will be a meeting to see if the numbers have gone down. If they haven't gone down significantly, the UK could probably expect greater restrictions.
All right, and a quick check also on the Prime Minister's health condition. Rishi Sunak there earlier addressing the media and informing the people of the country that the Prime Minister's condition was improving after spending 3 nights in intensive care.
Yes, at the start of the week was a big shock to the nation with the Prime Minister going to the hospital and then immediately put into the ICU unit just 24 hours later. What we're hearing is that, yes, he had needed to have extra oxygen. He was never put on a ventilator, but he is steadily progressing. Everyone's taking that as a good sign. He's communicating, he's talking. He's no longer leading the government, but he's informed of decisions and can reach out to people as and when he would like to. But right now, it is the Foreign Secretary, Dominic Raab, who is deputizing. So a lot of his responsibility has been taken off him because he is in the ICU. And even though he is improving, we can't take too much from that. He does remain in critical care, and that remains a concern.
Indeed, we're going to